which contains some malicious code, and then it tries to access internet. For the firewall, it will look like Chrome is accessing internet, which is allowed according to rule setup, so the entire connection is allowed. This entire thing is what we call as process injection. Okay, what are the common antivirus evasion techniques? How does an antivirus work? Signature. What is signature-based antivirus? What does it do exactly?
They match the patterns.
And try to search for patterns, right? So what is happening? Do you have to update the signature-based AV every day, almost at least once a week?
Yeah.
What happens during updation?
It updates the definition service, registers signatures.
It examines the latest signatures.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is a signature actually?
Signature is sort of a stamp, or you can say.
It's a unique pattern, which is unique to each and every device. So a signature-based AV, how it works is that it scans any EXE for a particular pattern. If the pattern matches, it identifies that EXE as this particular number. Okay, that is how a signature-based AV works. Now can I bypass that?
Yeah.
By hiding the signature, right? Polymorphic voice, what does it do? It is one of the most basic voices nowadays. Polymorphic voice. What does it do?
Update its code when it's running.
Changes code each and every time.
Let's say that I have a very simple encryption type of thing, XOR encryption. What is XOR?
Exceptional.
Exclusive.
Okay, can I use the XOR encryption? Heard about the term XOR encryption?
Yeah.
And what is the benefit of using XOR encryption? Pardon? Yes, that is the advantage of using a XOR function, because in this case you don't have to write another function which will do the decryption. You can use the same function to both encrypt as well as decrypt. So this is how basically a polymorphic voice works like. It will use some kind of encryption technique using which it will encrypt the entire content of itself, and then somewhere down the line it will attach its own decryption stub, which is run first. Okay, so when you run this particular application, first the decrypt stub is accessed, it is executed. The entire actual voice is decrypted into the RAM, and then it is run. Okay, so that will bypass some of the common AV finding techniques or detection techniques. This is one of the techniques that I employ for voice.
What's the difference between metamorphic and polymorphic?
Okay. Polymorphic is something where it will create different copies of itself at each mutation using a different key. If I encrypt particular data with a different key, the content will be entirely different. Okay, so with each mutation, it will be using a different random key. That is what is a polymorphic voice. At the same time, a metamorphic voice is something that can rewrite its own code, but still remain functionally the same. Like that.
Means at the runtime it will be overwriting its own code, right?
During the next infection, when it is run, and it has to infect an EXE, but it will encrypt, it will find its own code in the RAM, totally decrypted, and then it will modify its own code in the RAM itself. For example, let's say that a very simple C program contains int x, y, out of which I am not at all using y variable. Okay, I am simply using print x. Now, if I add another line of code, y is equal to 2, is it going to make any difference? No, because anyways I am only printing the content of x. So even if I make the content of y 2, the output will still remain the same. But is the byte sequence going to change?
Yeah.
It is going to change. So this is how metamorphic voice works. It will add garbage instructions onto its own code so that the byte sequence becomes different. But it will still remain functionally the same. Okay? And then it will it will repackage itself and infect an EXE. So the next time it is run, the entire code will be totally different. Okay. Malware coding techniques, for example, let's assume that you want to write a malware. How do you go about doing that? Does somebody have to select a programming language? Which one is the most preferred programming language?
Simply.
It will depend. It will depend upon the kind of Let's say that I want to write a web-based shell. PHP platform, it has to be PHP. Is a web-based shell a malware? Yes. At the same time, let's say that I want to write a very small keylogger. Which programming language I prefer?
Simply.
It could be C, or if it would be the assembly, it might be the assembly language. We'll look at it. Now, so it is a type of malware. Whether I want to write a backdoor, whether I want to write a RAT, remote access, or remote administration tool, or so on. Deciding its features. Can I write a very simple keylogger which will only dump the keystrokes into a log file? I can do that. Can I implement a feature in which it will try to email me back logs? I can do that. It's something that I design. Can I write an application which will contain both the backdoor as well as the keylogger? I can. Because as a programmer, I am the one who decided what features should go inside my malware. Okay. Decide the mode of infection. How is the target or the victim going to be infected by this? Whether I'm going to spam him, whatever it is. There are different ways of doing it. Now, that's fine. I think we covered this already. Okay, let's talk about an exe packer and an exe protector. What is an exe packer?
That is used to pack an application.
Any example?
UPX.
UPX. UPX is an example of an exe packer. What does it do exactly? What is the basic difference between UPX and WinZip? No idea. See, UPX is something that will, again, as we described earlier, it was actually taking the content of an exe, encrypting it, and then putting it, adding an decryption stub onto it, and then running it during runtime. At the same time, an exe packer, what it will do is it will take the actual content of the exe, compress it, and add a decryption stub onto it so that the next time it is executed, firstly, the decommission stub is executed, which will decompress the actual code into RAM, and then run. Okay, that is what an exe packer is. Exe protector is something that will add some kind of anti-debugging techniques onto the exe so that it cannot be debugged or hacked or cracked. Okay. I think it's possible to actually go with the demo. Okay, let me check.
Is this the technique of prediction or is this the technique of hacking? exe packing and protectors.
Packers and protectors are available in the market. Who will use these? Let's say that I'm a programmer. I've written an exe. Okay, I've written an application which is in exe. Now, can I use a packer? I can. Why? What are the benefits of using a packer?
Small
Okay,
size.
Size in exe is going to become small.
Against
But tell me, is an application which is 5 KB size of the hard disk going to load up fast into RAM or something that is 35 KB on the hard disk? 5 KB one. Okay, so it even kicks up or improves my starting times. There are multiple plus points that are actually using an exe packer. When will I use a protector?
When I don't want my file to be decrypted.
Yes, or cracked. When I don't want someone cracking my application or using a password, that is the time when I use a protector. The exe protector by definition itself is something that adds some anti-malware techniques into the exe so that it prevents it from getting cracked. Okay. Now, let me check if I can give you a demonstration. Alright, I think we have created an application called as ClubHack. Let me just go into that. MAS projects. This one? I have an exe here. Right? Now let's take a look at the code size. Just okay. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this. It contains UPX.exe, which is a backup, universal backup for executables. I've placed this one here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through command line. this is the tool called as UPX. Okay, and these are the options that are available. So I'm just going to simply use UPX and the file name, which is This is what pack one file and there's some kind of reduction in size. Now let's check out the size. What is the size? 3K. It is reduced. Again, the compression ratio depends upon how huge the application is. This is when you get better compression ratios now. This is an example of compressing an application. Now what if you want to decompress? What if you want to decompress the application? How do you do that? If it is being compressed using UPX, you can use an option in this file speed. UPX. Can you see this slash B? This is what? Decompress. Now let's try that. Use UPX slash B. Done. Let's check the size now. Sorry. Back to normal. Okay. Alright. Now what you can do is we can look at the code. Okay, we'll just go ahead with the presentation first. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, which is detecting a malware. How will you detect whether your system is infected or not? You can use some of these tools. What is the system internal suite? How we used it? Well, right? Some examples of the tools that are available in the system internal suite.
Regmon.
Regmon, FileMon.
Yeah.
So if you run all of these tools simultaneously, you can see actually what files have been accessed in your hard disk, but what keys have been accessed in your registry, so on. So these are some of the tools using which you can actually monitor your system. Okay. Now looking at the right places for malicious entries. Now let's assume that you insert a pen drive into your Windows machine. Okay. Initially there was no INF file or no INF file on the pen drive. But the moment you install it or you plug it in, an INF file is created. What will be your conclusion? Were you infected or not?
Infected.
You are obviously infected. Some process is creating an INF file on your pen drive. Okay? If you are 100% sure that the pen drive initially didn't contain any INF file, then it is quite obvious that your system is infected. How will you try to find out which exe is doing it? Can you find out?
Yeah, on system level.
One example would be use FileMon, start it up, reinsert the pen drive and see which application created that file. That way I can get an exe name. How can I disinfect my system? Either by deleting the exe or finding out which entries were made so that the exe doesn't auto-stack and remove those entries. These are the ways using which you can manually disinfect a system. But in order to disinfect a system, you need to know first that you are infected. There are different ways of doing it. Okay? Now, this is the last module where you will be doing some amount of malware analysis. Okay, when you are doing malware analysis as a professional, you need to have an entire lab. Okay, technically, what most of the professionals they do is that they have a system which is running some kind of virtual box machine, VMware, virtual box, virtual PC, and so on. On that, they install an entirely new OS, clean OS, and they set up the tools that are required, FileMon, Regmon, and so on, so that they can monitor in real time what is happening. On top of that, what they do is they insert the actual exe. And then they first do something called a static analysis of the malware. What is static analysis?
Looking at the code.